Hi, I'm Cole with Western Irrigation out of Hastings, Nebraska. Just want to give you a quick rundown on a little bit of subsurface irrigation. So what we do is we install drip lines buried beneath the surface, usually 14 to 16 inches on average. Along that tape you'll find emitters spaced anywhere from 12 to 27 inches apart, and that's what puts out the water, and it goes right into the root zone. The PVC line is going to be buried at about a 4-foot mark. We're always going to stay below the frost line. So kind of a general rundown here. You're going to go from your water source, whether that's well water, ditch water, canal. We can filter anything and make it work and suitable for you. You'll have standard zone valves. We'll break your field up into different watering sections. So sometimes you're going to be able to run more acres at one time than another, depending on the water you have. We're able to use whatever you have so you can get across the field as quickly as possible. From that point, the PVC is buried at 4 feet, like I said, and we'll run a hard hose up to a fitting that ties to the tape, and then that's what actually supplies the water throughout the field. After that, depending on the length of the row and the way the field's broke up, it'll tie into another bottom PVC line, usually a smaller pipe, a 2 or 3 inch. We call that the flush line. That doesn't have an actual source of water there, but that'll all be fed from the mainline source, and that'll build uniformity and pressure throughout the system. A typical system is going to run between 12 and 15 psi. All that's going to be buried. The only thing you're really going to see is at each one end of the watering sections, you might have a flush riser here, which is going to include an air vent and a valve right on top just to flush out the water, any dirty debris. Typically guys will start that up and flush out early on in the season and maybe do it once again in the fall.